Hello, this is Pest Specialist.
Hey, how's it going today? Who am I speaking with again? How's it going? My name is Chris. I was looking to speak to somebody in charge of rodent control.
Speaking.
Awesome. We're providing toxin-free and low-maintenance rodent control solutions, which we call the for rats and mice, and the for squirrels. They're one-of-a-kind patented devices. We use no poisons, and they self-reset for constant control. What makes us different is that we're toxin-free, we're certified humane, we're patented, and we use CO2 powered. And can actually be digitally connected to your phone for all alerts. You can also save. We have a discount code going on right now called just by going to our website today. We were also awarded using our has over 100K traps in the field. So, Jay, the reason why I'm calling is I would love to see if you'd be open to receiving some information about us via email, of course. And then if you're comfortable, our PMP director would love to just give you a general follow-up call. Nothing scheduled, no appointments, no meetings, nothing like that. Just would give you a call within the next week or two, see how you're sitting with the information, answer any questions you might have.
Sure, that's not a problem. I'm all right for that.
Awesome. Can I grab an email for you?
Absolutely. Let me know when you're ready.
Yep, I'm ready.
So it's can you also forward my partner? CC my partner in it as well?
Yeah, of course. We can have multiple.
All right, cool. So my email is
Yep.
.com.
.com. All right. I'm gonna really quick just verify that in our system here. Let's see. Yep. All right. I got you right over here. And what was your other representative's name and email?
His email is.
Yep. .com.
You're correct.
Gotcha. Okay. I'm just going to verify his as well. I want to make sure that he gets it too. Okay. All right. Yeah. I mean, like I said, we're offering revolutionary traps. They're automated, eco-friendly, they're convenient. We call it the Little Deadly Package. They're made to deploy, and they last a variety of different ways, just to simplify it and then bolster the safety here. But yeah, this is going to be the one to talk to you, answer any questions that you might have. Are you guys offering rodent control services right now?
Correct.
Okay, and do you use non-toxic ones?
all year round.
Yeah.
No, we don't, but it is something that we could push.
I gotcha.
Yeah, we had people ask for non-toxic.
Yeah.
In the past, and if we normally just use like glue boards.
Yeah.
Things of that nature.
Well, see, yeah, I mean, it definitely seems like the movement. I know there's a couple of laws actually being passed in Massachusetts that are against pesticides and all chemical stuff like that. So it's definitely something to take a look at. So I have you. And then, what was your title? Are you a partner?
Correct.
Okay.
I'm both partners.
Got you. Okay, both of you guys. Awesome. And then I have your email here. Your contact number. Can I use the same number I called you with?
Correct.
All right, perfect. All right, I have your email address. And then I have the email address as well. So we're going to forward the email to you, and then we're going to keep in our records here. All right, I have all your information. Here's what's going to happen. We're going to send you some information over, take a look at it. Like I said, within the next week or so, he's going to give you a call. You can talk to him about everything, answer any questions that you might have. Sound good?
Absolutely.
All right, it was a pleasure speaking with you.
Same here.
Have a good one.
Take care. You too. Bye-bye.